Hello everyone, I'm Alexander Abad from Liverpool Hope University, United Kingdom. I will be presenting our paper entitled 4x4 Fingertip Tactile Matrix Actuator with Edge Detection Scanning ROI Simulator. Tactile transducers in the form of displays and vision substitution systems have a long history that dates back to their development in the 1960s. Tactile displays can be interfaced with other electronic devices, such as computers, communication media, mobile phones, and appliances. It has also been used in e-commerce, telepresence, and virtual reality applications. They are built with a number of pins known as taxels or tactile pixels, which can be lifted or lowered, forming a matrix of pins arranged by lines and columns. Compared to Braille, tactile display pins are not grouped. All pins have same displacements to the neighboring pins so that no gaps will emerge when displaying graphics. Shown in this slide are some of tactile devices available in the market. These are commercially available tactile displays known as the Dot Watch and the Dot Mini from Dot Incorporated company. Tactile displays come in different sizes and pin numbers, from 3x3 up to 64 by 72 pin matrix as shown in this slide, known as the Dot Pod, made from Dot Company. This study presents a novel 4x4 fingertip tactile matrix actuator that can be strapped on a finger. It is made from Dot Braille cells purchased from Dot Incorporated, Korea. The prototype has a surface area of 1.08 square centimeter and a pin pitch of 2.6 millimeter that operates at 5 volts supply or any USB power bank. The connecting wires between the fingertip tactile display and control box can be extended or shortened depending on the user preference. The tactile matrix is coupled with a tactile matrix simulator that scans a binary image or edges of an image using Canny Edge Detector. The simulator has 16 small sections corresponding to the 16 actuator pins. Details on the prototype are discussed in the following sections. The construction of the 4x4 fingertip tactile display focuses on two categories, hardware and software. The hardware uses a compact miniature two-piece 2x4 braille cells combined to form a 4x4 matrix display. Detailed schematics of the cells are shown here. The dot braille cell operates at 5 volts DC supply or any USB power bank. Each pin can be controlled by Arduino and H-bridge motor controller. Each pin has a solenoid and can be actuated up or down depending on the direction of the current flowing on it. Each pin has a locking mechanism that makes it stay up or down even after the power shut off. This locking mechanism makes this device energy efficient and portable miniaturized fingertip tactile display that can be moved in any direction or orientation when strapped on a finger. I'll show you a short video clip showing the pins in action. As you can see in this video clip, each pin are moving up and down. The pins can also be moved column by column. On the software side, the firmware that controls the actuation of the 4x4 tactile matrix actuator runs using Arduino IDE. On the application layer, we develop a 4x4 tactile matrix simulator using Python program. This is the algorithm that guides us in the development of the program. An RGB image can be converted to RGB binary image, or we can get the edges of an image. We also track the mouse movement. The tactile simulator is a square graphical user interface forming the region of interest. This is the region of interest, the square green box containing 16 small sections in red circles representing each of the 16 pins of the actuator. The ROI can be moved across an image on the computer display using computer mouse. Each small section in the ROI evaluates the average black or white pixel within its boundary. The simulator can be used to scan a binary image of a regular polygon edges of an image using Canny Edge Detector. If the small section contains more than 50% black, the small section turns will be filled with yellow, and an up signal will be sent to the corresponding actuator pin. On the other hand, if it is less than 50% black, a down signal will be sent to the actuator, pulling down the corresponding pin. Scanning binary image of a color-filled regular polygon gives the perception of touching a surface area, as shown in this video clip. You can see as it touches the block, the small section turns yellow. Moreover, this simulator can be combined to Canny Edge detection algorithm that can trace the edges of an image within the ROI, as shown in this figure. The RGB was converted to grayscale, and morphological transformation, such as Gaussian blur, was done before applying Canny Edge detector. The edges of a Canny Edge detection are in white color with black background, as shown here. Because of our tactile simulator detects black color edges as an up signal, we invert the image into this image so that there will be black lines in white background. Using half transformation with the OpenCV library, the Canny Edge lines can be thickened, as shown here. After the lines have been thickened, we apply our tactile simulator to sense the edges of a flower. Like in this video clip, you can see the ROI as it moves on the edges of a flower, and some of the small sections turns yellow. We can also use this simulator to sense the curved edges of a fingertip, as shown in this slide. Our tactile matrix simulator works well not only on regular geometric figures but also on irregular shapes with curvy edges. In conclusion, in this study, a 4x4 fingertip tactile matrix actuator made from dot braille cells was presented. It has a surface area of 1.08 square centimeter with a pin pitch of 2.6 millimeter and operates at 5-volt supply. Each tactile pin can be controlled using an H-bridge motor driver and Arduino microcontroller. The 4x4 actuator has a corresponding 4x4 graphical user interface simulator that can use to scan a regular shaped geometric figure to fill the surface area or to detect the edges of an irregular shaped image. Thank you very much for listening.